Memorizing multiplication table can be a little tricky for the kids. It often takes time and effort. But if we could turn this challenge into a fun game, let's check how it is possible. Teach the kids to learn multiplication table using their fingers, just like with abacus techniques. Trust me, it will really make learning faster and more enjoyable. We will use both of our hands, but let's refresh our memory with a cool trick showing hands place and finger value. Our right hand represents ones place, except thumb finger, value of each finger is 1. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Total 4, value of thumb finger is 5. 5 and 4, 9. Our left hand represents tens place, except thumb finger, value of each finger is 10. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, total 40, and value of thumb finger is 50. 50 and 40, 90. 90, 9. To learn multiplication table applying finger abacus, you need to know addition formula very well. We can add 2 directly. When we cannot add 2 directly, we need to apply 5's complements, that is add a 5, less a 3. And when we cannot add 2 directly or we cannot apply 5's complements, we need to apply 10's complements, that is add a 10, less an 8. Let's see how it works. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, add a 5, less a 3. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, less an 8, add a 10, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 10, 20. Now we will do multiplication table of 3. We can add 3 directly, applying 5's complements, add a 5, less a 2, applying 10's complements, add a 10, less a 7, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, add a 5, less a 2, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, less 7 and add 10, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 8, 24, 3 times 9, 27, 3 times 10, 30. We can add 4 directly, applying 5's complements, add a 5, less a 1, applying 10's complements, add a 10, less a 6. Let's start. 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, add a 5, less a 1. 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, less a 6, add a 10. 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24, 4 times 7, 28, 4 times 8, 32, 4 times 9, 36, 4 times 10, 40. When children will learn multiplication table applying finger abacus, after practicing some time, they can memorize faster and they don't need to apply finger and they don't need to watch any book of multiplication table. Multiplication table of 5. We can add 5 directly and applying 10's complements. Add a 10, less a 5. Try it using your own fingers.